wonder if it has a whistle in it. So I know I've been posting a lot of Railway Heritage Day film here, viewers, and that's because there was a lot to film. There were many different attractions there. So today what we've got on this time is a little 262 Prairie. It's a live steam locomotive. It is 7.5 scale, and it's got a little loop of track that it runs around. And I believe this loop of track is taken down and put up only on Railway Heritage Day. So that's the only time this thing runs here. And I don't know much else about this locomotive. I know it's got two custom-built, well, I think they're custom. They look custom to me. They're not really painted or anything like that, but they've got a couple of custom-built cars behind them for people to ride on, and that's what this is for. Now, I do know one thing about this engine, and the fact that there used to be a Grand Trunk Railway logo on the side of the tender, and for some reason they took it off. I don't know why. As you can see, there's no logo on that tender. I don't know. It would have been nice to have that logo, but I don't know what happened to it. So anyway, viewers, I'm going to stop talking now, because I basically have no clue what I'm talking about, and let you enjoy the film. Yeah, exactly.